currently in a flat in the rain. This is not great. I'm right like by my house and I'm on a flat. This can't be real. I've never been on a flat in the rain. I hope don't nobody try to come do something to me because I cannot get away. I am on a flat, like legit. This is crazy. I don't understand how you can get on a flat in the rain. Like, I'm about to show y'all the outside. Now I have to get me some more tires, but nothing is open right now. So now I have to wait till the morning. Yeah, my curls have failed, so that's why I look like that. But I have to wait till the morning to figure out what I'm gonna do. So yeah, that's my story of the night. Bye guys, I'm going to bed now.